My experience at Excel World Academy was absolutely amazing, all thanks to the support of the teachers and the staff and the wonderful student body that allowed me to integrate and form my own community. I was always surrounded by people who came from different places with different mindsets, and that really allowed me to consider the perspectives of other people and grow into a much more empathetic person. The school really helped me realize my ambitions and allowed me to express myself. My chemistry teacher was always there to answer questions and allow me to kind of explore the subject, and through this I realized that my ambition is to go into chemistry. I would definitely recommend the school as it facilitates an environment for growing and for learning, and the environment is amazing.